Welcome back to the Zox Music. Welcome back to the Zox Music channel. Today we are repeating a subject, and the subject today is Brooks. I've done a tutorial about him before. Make sure to check it out if you haven't yet. But I was in the mood to make some nice future bounce again. So let's see what I've prepared for you today. So we're in the project. I've made a remix of Like I Do during Brooks, David Guetta and Martin Garrix. I'm gonna show you how I made it today. Let's start off with some chords. And then a little build up. Those are the chords. Layer that with a nice sub bass. Then before the drop and introducing the lead. Drums and effects. Add the vocal.
Like I do. Like I do. Like I do. Like I do.
With everything together, your build-up should sound like this.
Like I do. Like I do. Like I do. Like I do.
Then, for the drop, we start off with a bass. This is just a brass with a ton of distortion, some EQing and more distortion, and a low pass filter. Layer it with another bass. This is more work. These are three GMS synths with some presets, EQ and boost the mid frequencies and cut off the highs and lows. Add some distortion, some compression, and again a low pass filter and more distortion. Then just add a sub bass. And this is just a sub bass with a leveler. Then some brass stabs. And this is just a sample distorted with some bit crush. With all your bass together, your bass should sound like this. Then some chords. This is just another supersaw with a GM synth. Just cut off the low frequencies and boost a little bit of the high frequencies. Yeah, you should be good. Leads. These are just some samples and a preset of GM synth, some distortion, a lot of reverb, which is automated, and cut off the low frequencies, and this is the reverb automation. Layer that with a top lead. This is also just with only some reverb. Add a whistle. And this is only with some reverb and a leveler. Together, your lead should sound like this. Then add some white noise. And this is just a mini synth with pulse oscillator, a ton of noise, drums. Add some percussion. for the second part, add a hi-hat. Some effects. A riser. Then to introduce the second part, the vocal, a short fill, and some clocks. And also add the chords. Then for the second part, repeat everything, do whatever you want with it. Yeah, I don't know how to explain that. It's just the same, only without the cuts here in the down filter. This is my remake of Like I Do from Brooks, Martin Garrix and David Guetta, but this is more of a Brooks style song, so I think it counts as a Brooks tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed this video / tutorial. I hope you've learned something new, some new techniques. I always do when I'm making these kind of things, and I just wanted to share my knowledge with you. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. I'm gonna play the final result right now, and I'll catch you in the next video. Goodbye. If you made it till the end, I have a special surprise for you. I have more videos, so if you like my channel, please consider subscribing. I don't care about likes, but it's cool to have likes, so please like the video, I guess. Please check out my other videos as well. That would really help me out, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.